Welcome to the channel. Today, we're talking about a name that has sent shockwaves through the phone world. While rivals like Samsung and Apple are busy chasing numbers, Oppo is challenging the entire industry with an insane move. To understand how bold Oppo's move is, we need to look back at history. In the past, Oppo's FindX series, along with flagships from Samsung and Vivo, tried to cram as many cameras as possible onto the back. We had the main camera, the ultra-wide, and then 3x, 5x, or even 10x telephoto lenses. It was a relentless race for more lenses and higher zoom numbers. But the upcoming FindX 9 Pro is not going down that road. Oppo has boldly killed off the dual-telephoto system from the FindX 8 Pro to keep just a single telephoto sensor. However, this isn't a step backward. This is a massive gamble. So what's the missing piece here? It's the Hasselblad magnetic camera kit. Imagine this. You can attach an external lens to your phone with a simple, satisfying click. We're not talking about bulky, clumsy accessories, but a smart magnetic system. This allows you to instantly transform the FindX 9 Pro from a normal phone into a professional camera. This kit is rumored to include a teleconverter lens, designed to work with the FindX 9 Pro's massive 100-megapixel telephoto camera. That means this lens can push the native 3x focal length to the equivalent of 200 millimeters, putting it on par with competitors like the Vivo X200 Ultra, but with one major advantage: customization. This isn't just about photography. Rumors also suggest that Oppo will release video-focused accessories for the standard FindX 9. This indicates that Oppo is building a true photo and video ecosystem, not just a phone. So, will this change be enough for the FindX 9 Pro to beat the competition? Compared to the Vivo X200 Ultra, both use a 200-megapixel telephoto camera, but Vivo goes for an all-in-one approach, while Oppo chooses a modular path, offering maximum flexibility. Compared to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or iPhone 17 Pro, these phones are the benchmarks for stability and reliability. But the FindX 9 Pro brings a breath of fresh air, challenging the long-standing rules. It's for enthusiasts who want more than just software tricks. Perhaps the future of mobile photography isn't about cramming in more lenses, but about empowering users to create freely. With its long-standing partnership with Hasselblad and its bold new strategy, the Oppo FindX 9 Pro isn't just a phone. It's a statement. But the final question is for you. Are you ready to embrace this change and explore a completely new future for mobile photography? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the hottest tech news. See you in the next video.